SonaVault for email archiving. Let's talk about the configuration page here. You see 4 different tabs on the configuration page, so let's briefly talk about each of these tabs separately. So the first tab you see is the General tab. This is where you go to specify the paths for storing temporary files that are generated by the email archiving server. You can also choose the default role. For example, if someone has access to the user interface only or as a general user. So if you do have different roles specified in your application, you'll be able to make them default here. Also, there's other settings you can set up here on this page. For example, number of emails per export file, number of parallel export tasks. If you need to mention about any notifications, for example, notify when the retention expiration occurs and such, you'll be able to do that here. The next tab is the SMTP configuration, where you'll be able to set up the SMTP server that is going to be used for sending notifications about any changes that occur in the system. The third tab is the deployment setting tab. So our system actually is configurable to central archive or multiple archive sites. So you'll be able to choose between these options. The last setting, the last tab will be the AD setting tab, where you go to specify your Active Directory and authentication details. All you need to do is add, and you'll be able to have more details about your Active Directory and passwords, and save, and you'll be done. The next tab we see over here is the notification. We have various different kinds of notifications you can set up in this system, such as configuration, archival policies, retention policies, or even user roles. So this is where you will go to edit your notification details or even add more.